the healing, began the therapy, began the moving on. And I said, rule number 1, Iman doesn't affect tragedy. Rule number 2, Iman doesn't affect grief. Let me say bluntly, Iman has everything to do with coping with the tragedy. So much so, let me say this bluntly, without mincing my words. The faster you're able to attach yourself to Allah after a tragedy, the stronger your Iman. And the longer it takes you to connect with Allah, the weaker your Iman. If you really want to see how strong your Iman is, you know, in these days when you have an issue, go to the doctor. We'll look at our cholesterol level, we'll look at our blood pressure, we'll look at our pulse. Question arises, how do we check the blood pressure of Iman? How do we check the cholesterol level of Iman? How do we check the pulse of Iman? Well, there are ways to do this. There are ways. And one of the easiest ways is the following. Next time a tragedy happens, just remember how long it took you to connect to Allah when you heard the tragedy. What was that time lag? The longer the time lag, the weaker your Iman. I'll be very blunt. And the faster that connection is, the stronger your Iman. And that's why a sign of Iman is to connect to Allah instantaneously after a tragedy.